Physical disabilities can only hamper one's mobility or movement. They cannot touch one's mind or control his or her aspirations and greatness. Thus, on his 160th birth anniversary, the President headed to his birthplace in Tanawan, Batangas to pay homage to his inestimable contributions to the country's struggle and attainment of independence. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on the President celebrating Apolinario Mabini on his birthday in this report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. joined the commemoration of the 160th birth anniversary of the brains of the revolution, Apolinario Mabini. The President led the wreath-laying ceremony at Mabini's monument in Tanawan City, Batangas. He emphasized Mabini's contribution to the freedoms of Filipinos enjoy. The President pointed out that despite his disability, Mabini did not let it hinder his fight for the country. He noted that Mabini's writings served as a guide for Filipino patriots and revolutionaries to continue in their struggle.
Ang kalagayan niya, ang siyang nagbigay lakas sa kanya na gamitin ang talas ng kanyang isip bilang sandata laban sa kawalang katarungan, pang-aabuso at pang-aapi sa mga kapwa Pilipino.
Because of this, the President stressed that even after hundreds of years, it is only right to continuously remember and recognize Mabini's heroism. This is evidenced by the naming of streets and structures after Mabini, including the largest hall in Malacañang Palace, the Mabini Hall. The Chief Executive also urged the Filipino youth to use Mabini as an inspiration to persevere in life.
Naway higit sa maunawaan ng mga nakakabatang henerasyon ang kanyang mga pilosopiyang pampolitika at panlipunan upang sila ay mahikayat na mag-ambag sa pagsulong ng ating bansa.
The President assured the administration will continue to take steps to support Filipinos with disabilities, similar to Mabini who was paralyzed due to polio.
Mula nang pumasok ang administrasyong ito, nagsimula na ang mga programang pangkabuhayan na nakalaan para sa ating mga PWD. Sa susunod na taon, ilulunsad naman ng PhilHealth ang benepisyo nito para sa mga batang may kapansanan. Halos dinoble na rin ang diskwento na ibinibigay sa mga PWD.
The President also toured the Mabini Museum, which features his biographical account or life story with focus on his heroic deeds as well as his personal memorabilia. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.